Hello everyone, welcome to Angular tutorial. In this course, you are going to learn what Angular is and how to build application using Angular. Throughout this course, you are going to learn multiple building blocks of Angular. Let's get started. Angular is a JavaScript framework which helps you to build single-page applications. A single-page application is an app that doesn't need to reload the page during its use and works within a browser. Think of the apps you use daily: Facebook, Google, Twitter, or even a GitHub. All these are examples of single page application. Angular uses HTML syntaxes to express applications components clearly. Angular is designed for web, desktop, as well as mobile application. Angular is commonly written using TypeScript. Then what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. It is strongly typed, object-oriented, and compiled language. In Angular, TypeScripts are converted into JavaScripts while building the application. We will be learning how to code in TypeScripts throughout this course. Let's start with the project setup. Install Node.js. Node.js acts as a base for Angular. You can go to the official website of Node.js. You can click on the first link in the browser. You can install the Node.js MSI in your computer. Since I have already installed, I'm not going to install it again. Once it is installed, we can check it by typing the command npm version. My Node version is 6.14.13. Once Node version is done, Node installation is done, the next step is to install a Angular-cli. Angular-cli is a command line interface tool which makes it easier to develop and bootstrap Angular application. To install Angular-cli globally, you can use the command npm install -g. -g specifies that it needs to be installed globally at Angular CSA. Since if you run this command, it will install the Angular CLI globally. Since I have already installed the Angular CLI, I'm not going to install it now. Once it is installed, you can check the version using ng command ng version. Yeah, now I have installed Angular CLI version 12.0.3. Once it is installed, we are ready to go. Now we can start with creating a new Angular project. The command is ng new hello world. This is the command to create a new Angular application. It will ask for whether we need a Angular routing or not. Routing, which this will be covered in the future chapters. You can give yes as of now. And there are multiple style sheets available, like one is CSS, SCSS, SCASS, and so on. I am going to select, hope everyone knows what CSS or SCSS means. I am going to select SCSS. If anybody don't know about this, we will be covering this as well in this course. Yeah, now it is downloading the Hello World project. Yeah, it will take some time. I have already downloaded few Hello World projects. This is this. If you open this, it will contain a lot of files. Here you can open a command prompt in order to deploy this application, and you can type the command ng-serve. If you want to use a different port, the Angular default port is 4200. If you want to use a different port, you can configure it with like this 4201. This will take some time to deploy. I have already deployed Hello World application in a port number 4200 like this. The IP is localhost 4200. Let's open that port. Yes. Yeah, that's it. This is your first Angular application. We will be seeing what are the component Angular material and how to add dependencies everything in the later tutorial. Thanks for watching.